How's it going, guys? It's been a while since we've made a video for Proper Luxury Productions, but trust me, it's not like we haven't been wanting to. We've just been very busy, which is very, very good for us as well, so I can't complain on that. But anyways, we have a quick video for you guys today. It's going to be on both cars, two very cheap mods, just to make it look a little bit better. And we're going to start out with the 5.0. You guys really haven't seen this car on the channel much at all, to be honest with you, because there is a transmission problem, man. I've been lazy to fix it, but we'll get into that in a different video. But on this car, as you can see, probably about 2-3 years ago, I got rid of the chrome 5.0. I was going for more of the dark theme, as you can kind of see. Let's make a trip around the car here. So already has the darkened tail lights for the 13 and 14, and then I did a whole new deck lit in the back. So it's already got that, mean darkness look to it, the midnight type of a look, and I love it. And I went with the darker wheels as well. So the chrome, in my opinion, was kind of throwing the whole car off, so I got rid of that. But today I think we have a solution. So I'm gonna go grab that. All right, so we got new Fender emblem. We're gonna go on both sides here. Now this comes on the newer gen Mustang, the S550, and I'm gonna be putting this on the S197. So there's a little modification I have to do to get this to work, but it'll work, and I think it's gonna really go well with this car. So we'll get into that in just a sec. All right, on to the next item. Again, just two small items here. This is a whole new shift knob for the GT350, and I've been wanting it for a while, and the kind of reason I went with white is I kind of want to match with what I already have on the 5.0. So let's take a look in the interior here. So you can see I already put the Ford Racing short shifter in there, and it comes with the white look to it. And I wanted to make it match, just because I have two blue cars anyways. Might as well kind of make a theme going on. So this is what's going in the GT350. Gorgeous car. Okay, so it's a little messy in this car. I drive this one more just because I like it more. I'm just gonna be honest with you, it's a more reliable ride than this car because I've modified it way too much to where it's not really enjoyable to ride. But this car, love it with the Matic ride suspension. Anyways, you can see that is the stock shift knob on a GT350. Alright guys, so there is a left side and a right side for the Fender emblems. And I just have to see if I remember my left and right. See if I can do this correctly. Okay. This says right, this says left. Okay, this. So again, this is not the right fender for these to be going on. Again, so I'm going to do a little remove of this clip here and on this one. And this hole I'm going to line up to what's already here. As you can see, the points where these line up are way different. Again, because this is a S197 fender and these are supposed to go on a S550. But I like it so much, I'm going to make it work. So I'm going to make the bigger clip go right in this little slot right here. So I'm going to do that. but then I'm gonna get rid of this clip to make it flat, and then I'll put it in. So it's not gonna be as center in the fender here, but I think it'll work just fine. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And as you can see as well, this is a sticky side as well, so it should stick right to it, and hopefully it should stay up for a long time. All right, so I'm just gonna clip this off. Sorry, Jake, I think I got you with that. And then I'm just gonna... All right, it's gonna take a little bit to make it flat, but slowly coming. Don't take a video of this, dude. This looks wrong.
This will be like clips for the video.
You know what? Oh, let's go just a tad bit more. Okay. All right. And the reason I'm also putting in this location because it's going to cover this hole with this. And no, I didn't put alcohol swipe down, but I just cleaned the car, so I don't want to see that in the comment section, okay? Alright. Does that look level to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
That looks good. Man, it looks good. Guys, so we're on to the final mod, or second mod really for this video, and it is removing the stock GT350 shift knob and replacing it with this style of a shift knob. So again, we're going to be matching the 5.0 with the same style and white look for the shifter. So when I first got this car, and again I've had this car for close to 3 years now, this itself, and again, this has been long overdue, has always spun, right? So from getting it, it's always spun, so it's never really stayed on. So I'm pretty sure if I just keep twisting it off, it should come off. And that's what's happening. Very easy easy for me. I know other people have had a lot of trouble. I've seen people using big pliers trying to get this off.
Kind of looks cool, but it's gotta go. So,
Gone she goes.
we definitely need to pick that up before we cut the grass, because it's gonna cause some damage. Pick that up. We find it.
All right, so well, I guess the little kit I got, it comes with the Motorcraft thread lock and sealer. So I'm gonna put a little bit on there for this because I don't really foresee myself ever really taking this off. So I'm gonna wanna make sure it stays on there. And if I do wanna take it off, it should come off a little bit easier than other people have had on their GT350. Can you hand me the cutters? Thanks, dude. Man, these bugs are terrible. Just gonna cut the very tip off. Ooh, snikes. Alright. Just gonna squeeze a little bit in there. Not much, just two drops. And here she goes. Are we rolling?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, so with this is what the final product's gonna look like. So I think it looks pretty good. And you want to make sure when you install it that you're still gonna be able to put it in reverse. This is a reverse lockout. You have to push up, and so therefore you can go in reverse. So we're just gonna go up and down the driveway. Just make sure she shifts A-OK. Staying in place. All right. Burnout time. Wouldn't want to hurt that beauty.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Anyways, really appreciate you guys watching our video. Stay tuned for more videos to come.